Hello, good morning, student. So many students are joining this session. Yes, Atulya Kantial, good morning. Sakshi Bist means Bhuvnesh Bist, good morning. Mr. Joshi, good morning. Please write your name also when you are writing any comment in the comment section. Okay. Ranveer Singh, Hardik Kundial, good morning, sir. Good morning. Saurav Singh, good morning. Suhani Sajwan, good morning, sir. Anushka Kohli, good morning. Prasud Joshi, good morning. Okay, good morning to all of you. In this live session, please inform to your classmate also, because we have completed 3 exercise of exponent, and maybe last exercise are left after this lecture. Okay, only 6D. We are solving the problem of exercise 6C, and after that left remaining. Okay, so then tomorrow we will finish this chapter, and after that we will start our new chapter. Okay, so I wish you that you all are doing your work at with honesty at your home. Okay, now I am solving one question. This is the question 49, 9 and 7 to the power n. ये एक लास्ट कल का क्वेश्चन है. लास्ट में नेटवर्किंग प्रॉब्लम आने की वजह से क्वेश्चन सॉल्व नहीं हो पाया था. ओके, बहुत सारे बच्चों का डाउट भी था कि सर इसको एक बार फिर से एक्सप्लेन कर दो. तो देन आई एम सॉल्विंग दिस क्वेश्चन बाय वंस अगेन अ टाइम. देन लुक एट हियर. This is the question number 5th exercise 6th C. 49 n to the power n plus 1, 7 to the power n, 343 power n, and 7 to the power 3m equal to 2 to the power 4 equal to 3 upon 343. And we have to prove what we simple way m is equal to n plus 1. मतलब पावर के फॉर्म में आंसर नहीं है. तो so our work to reduce the each and every number given in the question. Okay, और हम लोगों को पावर में रिलेशन फाइंड करना है. तो how can you find the relation between the power in left hand side and right hand side? When you, as you know that if left hand side and right hand side bases are same, तो then we can find the relation between their power. Okay, तो हम लोगों को यहाँ पे लेफ्ट साइड में और राइट साइड में सेम पावर का कंसेप्ट यूज कर, सेम बेस का कंसेप्ट यूज करना है. तो ठीक है, तो सबसे पहले आप लोग क्या करो, जितने भी नंबर आपके लार्जेस्ट नंबर हैं उन सबको शॉर्ट फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करो, मींस स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर के फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करो. एंड दिस है 49, this is a multiple of 7, this is the 7, 343. when we multiply 347 by 3 times, 7 multiply by 7 multiply by 7, then it becomes 343. so this is also multiple of 7, here also 7, and 343 again it is a multiple of 7. so we can reduce all the multiple of 7 in the terms of 7. okay, so this part 49 we can write 7 square and whole to the power n plus 1 into 7 to the power n minus 7 to the power 3 and whole to the power n. 7 to the power 3, 7 multiply by 7 multiply by 7, 49 and multiply by 7, and when we multiply 49 multiply by 7, then it is 343. so 7 square 7n and then upon whole upon is, this is also in the form of exponent. so 2 to the power 4 is equal to 3 upon 343. this part we can show at the end of at the end. okay, first of all try to solve the left part of this question. so 7 to the power 2 and whole to the power n. so as you know that this power will be multiplied, so 2n plus 2 into 7 to the power n minus 7 to the power 3 into n, 3n. यहाँ पे फॉर्मूले लग रहे हैं, मैं बार बार फॉर्मूले रिपीट नहीं करूंगा. ओके, 7 to the power 3m into 2 to the power 4 equal to 3 upon 343. okay, now can you break the 7 to the power 2n plus 2 in the form of two different numbers and the two numbers? so 7 to the power 2n plus 2, 7 to the power 2n plus 2. so can we write 7 to the power 2n plus 2 इन द सच वे, या सॉरी इसको चेंज मत करो, इसको रहने दो, इन दोनों को कंबाइन कर दो, तो इसको कंबाइन कर सकते हैं क्या? यस सर, तो वी कैन राइट दिस इज 2n plus 2 and multiply by 7 to the power n, base same the power will be at minus 7 to the power 3n and upon 7 to the power 3m into 2 to the power 4 equal to 3 upon 3 4 3. Okay, next part. अब 3n 2n and plus n 3n, तो 7 to the power 3n and plus 2. Okay, minus 7 to the power 3n and whole upon 7 to the power 3m and 2 to the power 4 is equal to 3 upon 3 4 3 in right hand side. ओके, 7 टू दी पावर 3n, इसको ब्रेक कर लो दो पार्ट में, तो दिस को लिख सकते हैं 7 टू दी पावर 3n एंड इनटू 7 टू दी पावर 2. ओके, माइनस 7 टू दी पावर 3n एंड होल अपॉन 7 टू दी पावर 3m इनटू 2 टू दी पावर 4 इक्वल टू 343. Okay, now we can take 7 to the power 3 and 7 to the power 3n common out. So when 7 to the power 3n is common out, तो 7 square and minus this is common out, means 7 to the power 3n से डिवाइड कर रहे हैं कॉमन का मतलब, तो कितना बचेगा 1 and then upon 7 to the power 3m into 2 to the power 4 is equal to 3 upon this one. If you want to write, so this one you can write 7 to the power 3, 7 to the power 3. Then after that we can do one thing here, 7 to the power 3n and upon 7 to the power 3m into 7 square 49 minus 1, तो 48 and upon 2 to the power 4 is equal to 3 upon इसको रहने दो ऐसे फिलहाल 343 343, तो 343 इस वाले पार्ट को साइड कर दो, राइट साइड में ट्रांसफर कर दो, तो 7 to the power 3n 7 to the power 3m is equal to 3 upon 343 multiply, ये multiply 2 to the power 4 and this numerator come in the denominator in right hand side and 48. तो can we solve this part? Yes sir, we can solve it. तो 3 1 जा 3 and 3 1 जा 3 3 1 जा 3 1 8 3 6 जा 18. Okay, 2 to the power 4, 2 to the power 4 means 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 means 2 2 जा 4 2 जा 8 2 जा 16. तो then 16 1 जा 16, तो 16 and 16 cancel, 16 1 जा 16 16 1 जा 16. So then this is 7 to the power. How can you write, can you convert the numerator and denominator in the form of single number? Yes, we can write it is 3n minus 3m. Here we are applying the formula of a to the power m upon a to the power n is equal to 1 upon 343. So this 343 we can write 7 to the power 3. Okay, so then at the last left hand side base is 7 and right hand side the base also 7. तो अभी लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में बेस न्यूमरेटर में और राइट हैंड साइड में डिनोमिनेटर में, तो इसको भी न्यूमरेटर में कन्वर्ट करो, तो दिस वन वी कैन राइट 3n minus 3m is equal to 7 to the power minus 3. The formula, if 1 upon a to the power m, so then this one we can write minus a to the power m. Okay, so I hope you understand this part. Then at last one 7 to the power. Now left hand side and right hand side bases are same, the power must be equal. So 3n minus 3m is equal to 3n minus 3m is equal to minus 3. Now 3 is common, so 3 common, so n minus m in the bracket is equal to minus 3. So n minus m is equal to, remove this 3, तो then divide में right hand side में जाएगा, तो minus 3 upon 3 तो 1 and sign is negative minus 1 and our question is prove that n is equal to n plus 1. तो arrange this part according to the question. So this one we can write n taking this part in left hand side to plus 1 and take this m in right hand side to is equal to positive m. So finally our answer is m is equal to n plus 1, hence proved. Okay, I hope you understand this question sir. If you are completely understand this question, so please write your response in the comment section. Then I am going to another question. Please write your response in the comment section if you are able to understand this question. Yes or not, please write in the comment section immediately. Then we have the lack of time, so then I am taking one more question. Please write your response in the comment section. If you want to note down this one, so after ending this lecture, watch this video again and you can take the screenshot. Yeah, you can pause the video, then note down it. Okay. No one response is coming. What happened? Next question is, it is a just simple question. Question number 6. 2205 is equal to 3a to the power a into 5 to the power b into 7 to the power c. The first part is find the value of abc. First part is find the value of abc. abc की वैल्यू कैलकुलेट करनी है. How can you calculate the value of abc? Okay, so first of all, make the same base in left hand side as well as in right hand side, because a, b and c are given in the form of exponent, means पावर के फॉर्म में गिवन है. तो आपको लेफ्ट साइड और राइट साइड को क्या करना है? इक्वल करके चलना, बेस सेम करके चलना है. तो हाउ कैन यू write 2205 in the terms of 3, 5 and 7? So we can write this 2205 in the terms of 3, 5, 7 by using the method of factorization. First find the factor of 2205. Okay, so then it is not divisible by 2, so then first is 3. Okay, 3 7 are 21. How can you check this number is divisible by 3? So then if the sum of the all number, if the sum of the all digit is divisible by 3, तो the whole number also divided by 3. तो 5 to 7 और 7 to 9, तो सम 9 से 3 से डिवाइड होगा तो नंबर भी डिवाइड होगा. तो 3 7 जा 21, 1 0, 3 3 जा 9 and 1 5 3 5 जा 15, 735. Next again it is divisible by 3. 7 or 3 10 or 5 15. तो 3 2 जा 6 and 3 4 जा 12 and 3 5 जा 15. 5 or 4 9 or 2 11. Now it is not divisible by 3, so then we can divide this part will by 5. So 5 4 ja 20, 4 and 5 5 9 ja 45 and last 7 7 ja 49 and 7 1 ja 7. So what is the factor of 2005? So the factor of the 2005 by the method of factorization, it is 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 7. So this one we can write 3 square multiplied by 5 to the power 1 into 7 square. So according to the question 2205 we can write in this exponential form. So 3 square into 5 to the power 1 into 7 square, and the right hand side is 3 to the power a into 5 to the power b, 5 to the power b and 7 to the power c. So I am comparing left hand side and right hand side. On comparing left hand side and right hand side, so same base, so their power will be equal. So on comparing the left side and right hand side, so 3 and 3, its power is a and its power is 2. So then therefore we can write here a is equal to 2. So this is the first value of a. Similarly for the 5, base are both side 5 in the form of 5. मतलब आपको same like जो term है, like base को comparison करना है. Okay, so then here is b is equal to 1 and last c is equal to the same base 7 7, so c is equal to 2. So c is equal to 2. So these are the value of a, b, c. Okay, and the second part of this question is find the value of, second one is find the value of 3 to the power a into 5 to the power minus b into 7 to the power minus c. 7 to the power minus c. इसके लिए वैल्यू कैलकुलेट करनी है. तो हाउ कैन यू कैलकुलेट द वैल्यू ऑफ दिस पार्ट? तो सब्स्टिट्यूट द वैल्यू ऑफ a, b and c. तो देन इट इज 3 to the power, what is the value of a? A is 2 multiplied by 5. What is the value of b? B is minus 1 and into 7 to the power minus sign is negative and c is 2, so minus 2. So on doing the simplification here, so we can write 3 3 is 9 into negative power remove करना है, तो 1 upon 5 and similarly the negative power is coming here, so remove the negative power, so 1 upon 7 square. Okay, 9 into 1 upon 5 into 1 upon 49. So what will be your answer? 9 1 ja 9 in the numerator and 9 5 49 multiplied by 5. So 5 9 ja 45, 4 5 4 ja 20 and 4 24, तो 9 upon 245, तो 9 upon 245, 9 upon 245 is the answer of this question. Okay, maybe no comment are coming in the comment section. Please send your response, show your presence, how many students are live in this comment in live session. And if you understand these two questions, so please write yes or not, sir. Otherwise, I will take this question it again and then I will solve it from here. Next one more question. The question number 7. Question number 7 is, if b to the power 3 c to the power minus 2 upon b to the power minus 4 c to the power 3 and whole square whole to the power minus 3 divided by b to the power minus 1 c and upon b square and c to the power minus 2 and whole to the power 5 is equal to b to the power x and c to the power y. To prove that x plus y plus 6 is equal to 0, we have to prove the x plus y plus 6 is equal to 0. Okay, okay. So the solution of this question is, this is the given, this is the sign of division, is equal to b to the power x into c to the power y. Okay, and we have to prove x plus y plus 6, x plus y plus 6 is equal to y plus 6 is equal to 0. So मार्क कर देना जब चल नहीं रहा. Okay, this is our question and we have to prove x plus y plus 6 is equal to 0. ये हम लोगों को प्रूव करना है. ठीक है, तो देखो ये क्वेश्चन गिवन है. इस क्वेश्चन में सबसे पहले क्या करना है, ब्रैकेट के अंदर वाले पार्ट, इनसाइड द ब्रैकेट, टू मिनिमाइज द न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर. ओके, आपको न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर को क्या करना है, इजी करना है, शॉर्ट करना है. तो हाउ कैन वी मेक इट्स अ शॉर्ट इन अ इजी वे? So we can write first I am writing the question here, b cube c to the power minus 2 and upon b power minus 4 c to the power 3 and whole to the power minus 3 divided by b to the power minus 1 c and upon b square c to the power minus 2 and whole to the power 5 b to the power x into c to the power y. Okay, so this is the question. So first solve the part given in inside the bracket. इनसाइड द ब्रैकेट, जो जो आपको ब्रैकेट के अंदर है उसको सॉल्व करो. तो b टू द पावर 3 b टू द पावर minus 4, when we take this b to the power 4 minus 4 in the numerator, so what will happen sir? You know that a to the power m upon a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n. पावर क्या हो जाएगी, नेगेटिव, बट इट इज ऑलरेडी इन. ठीक है, b क्यूब अपॉन, तो हाउ कैन वी मिनिमाइज दिस b की पावर 3 एंड b की पावर minus 4? तो दिस वन वी कैन राइट 3, टेक द b पावर minus 4 इन न्यूमरेटर, तो ये क्या हो जाएगा, प्लस 4 बिकॉज द साइन इज नेगेटिव. ओके, इनटू c टू द पावर -2, टेक दिस c क्यूब इन द न्यूमरेटर, सेम बेस है तो कितना हो जाएगा +3, तो देन इन द न्यूमरेटर इट बिकम -3 एंड होल टू द पावर -3 डिवाइडेड then b की similarly we can do here b to the power -1 and b square, this one we can write -1, take the b square in numerator तो -2 into c to the power it is 1 and take this c to the power -2 in the numerator so then it is plus, okay, and whole to the power 5 is equal to b to the power x into c to the power y. Now solve the bracket, b to the power 7 into c to the power -5 and whole to the power -3 and divided by b to the power -3 into c to the power 3 and whole to the power 5 is equal to b to the power x into c to the power y. अभी भी इसको सॉल्व करो. Now multiplication of b to the power -7 with the whole bracket -3, ये -3 इन सब के साथ मल्टीप्लाई होगा तो क्या बनेगा हम लोगों के पास, ये मिलेगा b to the power, as you know that a to the power m and whole to the power n, so then it is a to the power m multiply by n. तो similarly here ये -3 इसके भी साथ मल्टीप्लाई होगा, similarly -3 multiply with this -5, okay, तो b to the power 7 multiply by -3 into c to the power -5 multiply by -3, okay, bracket close, divided by b to the power -3, तो b to the power -3 and 5 तो -3 into 5 into c to the power 3 into 5 and is equal to what is in the right hand side b to the power x into c to the power y, okay, तो b to the power -21 into c to the power minus plus and minus plus तो then 15 divided by तो b to the power -15 into c to the power 15, okay, is equal to b to the power x into c to the power y. Then this is the sign of division, तो we can write -21 into c to the power 15. करने के लिए मैं यहाँ पे डायरेक्ट मल्टीप्लाई भी कर दूं, पर नॉर्मल अगर हम करते हैं तो इसको शॉर्टकट ना जाओ, सीधा ऐसे लिखो -15 बिकॉज दिस इज द साइन ऑफ डिवाइड, तो डिवाइड है तो नीचे लिखेंगे जैसे 2 डिवाइडेड बाय 3, तो दिस वन वी कैन राइट 2/3, ओके, तो b to the power -15 into c to the power 15 is equal to b की पावर x into c to the power y. Now solve it, so then solve this b to the power -21, b to the power -15. As you know that -21 b to the power -21, when we take this negative 15 in the numerator then it becomes positive, so -21 plus 15 then it is -6, then similarly c to the power 15 in numerator and denominator minus it when we take in numerator तो -15, तो c to the power 0 या it will be 1 बचेगा या 0 लिख सकते हैं, is equal to b to the power x into c to the power y, okay. Now compare the left side and right hand side, so b and this is also b, so what is the value of x, so x is equal to -6, same like base c to the c and c, so y is equal to 0, okay, and the question is what is our question, prove that x plus y plus 6 is equal to 0, तो find the relation between these two value, इन दोनों के बीच में ऐसा रिलेशन बनाओ कि ये बन जाए, तो how can you find this relation with the help of x and y, तो here is the sum, तो इन दोनों को क्या कर दो, ऐड कर दो, तो on adding x and y, तो left hand side add in left and right hand side will be add in right side, तो x plus y is equal to -6 plus 0, तो x plus y is equal to -6 and -6 in left hand side, so then x plus y and take it in left side, then it will be positive is equal to 0, so hence proved. So this is the third question, I hope you understand this one, okay. If you have any doubt so please watch this video again after ending this session, okay sir, okay, very good. Ankit Bist, yes sir. Atulya Khantyal, yes sir. So many students are sending their response, yes sir, okay, very good student. Next question is next 8 first part, this is a very simple question. X plus y whole to the power minus 1 and x to the power minus 1 plus y to the power minus 1 is equal to 1 upon xy. And question is prove that left hand side is equal to right hand side. So I am taking left hand side is here. So x plus y whole to the power minus 1 and x to the power minus 1 plus y to the power minus 1, taking left hand side and prove that right hand side is equal to 1 upon xy. हमें प्रूव करना है कि राइट हैंड साइड क्या है 1 upon xy. ओके, तो देन मैंने बहुत बार बोल दिया है कि जब भी आपके पास नेगेटिव पावर हो तो फर्स्ट कन्वर्ट दैट नेगेटिव पावर इन द पॉजिटिव पावर. ओके, नेगेटिव पावर को किस में कन्वर्ट करो, पॉजिटिव पावर में कन्वर्ट करो. ओके, तो देन हाउ कैन वी कन्वर्ट दिस नेगेटिव पावर इन द फॉर्म ऑफ पॉजिटिव? वी कैन राइट दिस हियर 1 plus 1 upon x plus y. Similarly here 1 up, सर उसका चार्ज खत्म हो गया. 1 upon x, this is also we can write 1 upon x plus 1 upon y. Okay, now 1 upon x plus y. Now solve this part, take the LCM. तो LCM लेने के लिए क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई यूज करो या जैसे आप नॉर्मली सॉल्व कर सकते हो. तो x into y into 1 तो y and plus x into 1 x and denominator is x into y, mean this is the LCM. Okay, now this part and the second bracket there is the sign, nothing, no sign is coming here, it means it is the form of multiplication. So we can cut this x plus y and this x plus y. Okay, same in the numerator and denominator. So what is left? Into 1, so 1 1 ja 1 upon x into y. So this is your right hand side. Okay, this is a very simple one. Now one more question I am taking here, question number same 8 and the fourth part, and the fourth part is 1 upon 1 plus x to the power b minus a plus x to the power c minus a plus 1 upon 1 plus x to the power a minus b plus x to the power c minus b, and next plus 1 upon 1 plus x to the power b minus c plus x to the power a minus c is equal to 1. Similarly, again this question is prove that left hand side is equal to right hand side. We have given in the left hand side, this is the part of left hand side, and prove that right hand side is equal to 1. इतने बड़े पार्ट को इतना सा बनाना है, यही तो पूछ रखा है. ठीक है, अब आप लोग तो एक्सपर्ट हो चुके हैं एक्सपोनेंट में. ओके, अब इसमें क्या प्रॉब्लम है, जब इतने बड़े पीछे बड़े बड़े क्वेश्चन किए तो इसमें क्या प्रॉब्लम होगी. ठीक है, तो बहुत सिंपल सा क्वेश्चन है. फर्स्ट राइट द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड ऑन टेकिंग लेफ्ट हैंड साइड. तो लेफ्ट 1 upon 1 plus x to the power b minus a plus x to the power c minus a, then plus 1 upon 1 plus x to the power a minus b plus x to the power c minus b plus 1 whole upon 1 plus x to the power b minus c plus x to the power a minus c. राइट हैंड साइड में 1 प्रूव करना है, इट मींस हमें लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में बहुत सारी चीजों को रिड्यूस करना है. तो हाउ कैन वी रिड्यूस द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पार्ट. ओके, तो x टू द पावर b माइनस a, x टू द पावर c माइनस a, ये थोड़ा बहुत बेकार लग रहे हैं यहाँ पे. इनको चेंज करो कुछ, या इनको एक्सपेंड करो. ठीक है, इनको एक्सपेंड करो तो क्या लिख सकते हैं 1 अपॉन, इसमें 1 में तो कुछ नहीं कर सकते हैं, बाकी एलसीएम ले लो, ऐड भी हम डायरेक्ट नहीं कर सकते हैं. तो दिस वन वी कैन राइट 1 अपॉन, कैन वी राइट दिस इज x टू द पावर b अपॉन x टू द पावर a. ओके, वी कैन राइट दिस वन बिकॉज x टू द पावर b अपॉन x टू द पावर a इज इक्वल टू द लॉ ऑफ एक्सपोनेंट इन द फॉर्म ऑफ डिवीजन मेथड. तो x टू द पावर b minus a, because formula is a to the power n upon a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n. Hope you all have memorized this formula. Again I am repeating, if you have not learned the formula, so without the formula we cannot solve this exercise. Okay, maths बिना फॉर्मूले के सॉल्व नहीं हो सकती है. Plus similarly this one we can write x to the power c upon x to the power a, then plus we will follow the same method in the another part, 1 upon 1 plus x to the power a upon x to the power b plus x to the power c upon x to the power b, next plus 1 whole upon 1 plus x to the power b upon x to the power c plus x to the power a upon x to the power c. क्या बेनिफिट हुआ, अब हम लोग यहाँ पे एलसीएम लेके चल सकते हैं, तो व्हाट विल बी द एलसीएम इन द डिनोमिनेटर, सिर्फ इस वाले पार्ट को एलसीएम लो, सेम इन हियर एंड सेम इन द लास्ट पार्ट, 1 अपॉन x to the power a, x to the power a, but here is nothing, means it is the 1, तो we have to make the same LCM, मतलब same denominator, तो यहाँ पे किससे मल्टीप्लाई करोगे, x to the power a, similarly multiply in the numerator x to the power a, then denominator will be same, या we can take the LCM, तो x to the power a, okay, upon x to the power a plus x to the power b upon x to the power a प्लस x टू दी पावर c अपॉन x टू दी पावर a, क्यों किया, ताकि हम पे सेम बेस बन जाए, सेम डिनोमिनेटर मिल जाए, ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लाई एंड डिवाइडेड बाय x टू दी पावर a, या वी कैन से दैट टेकिंग द एलसीएम, ठीक है, तो प्लस सिमिलरली हियर, तो x टू दी पावर b अपॉन x टू दी पावर b प्लस x टू दी पावर a अपॉन x टू दी पावर b प्लस x टू दी पावर c अपॉन x टू दी पावर b प्लस 1 अपॉन सिमिलरली हियर x टू दी पावर c अपॉन x टू दी पावर c प्लस b upon c plus a power c, okay, so in this part the denominator is same, similarly here denominator is same here denominator is same, so what is 1 upon, okay, so we can write x to the power a plus x to the power b plus x to the power c and whole upon x to the power a, because LCM is same, means it is the addition, okay, plus similarly here we can write x to the power b plus x to the power a plus x to the power c and whole upon denominator is same, x to the power b, and the last part is plus 1 upon same denominator is x to the power c and x to the power c, x to the power b plus x to the power a, okay, so now on solving these three part, okay, देखो अगर आपके पास गिवन है 1 whole upon 2 upon 3, okay, so this thing we can write 1 multiply by the reciprocal of this fraction, so 3 upon 2, so similarly we can write here, this is the first part and this is the whole, okay, this is the whole line, means 1 upon then one more fraction is coming here, so what can we write this, so 1 and into the reciprocal of this fraction, so x to the power a, so then 1 multiply x to the power a, x to the power a, then x to the power a plus x to the power b plus x to the power c, then plus similarly we can do here, so x to the power b, the reciprocal of the denominator fraction, then x to the power, arrange in the form of a b c, this is x to the power b, x to the power a, x to the power c, मैंने arrange a b c के फॉर्म में कर दिया, तो a plus x to the power b plus x to the power c, then similarly in the case of last upon x to the power a plus x to the power b plus x to the power c, okay, so now the denominator of the all three part, first, second, third, all are the same, this is the same denominator, it is also same, means all three are same, and you know that if 1 upon 2 plus 2 upon 2 plus 3 upon 2, so what can we write, we can write 1 plus 2 plus 3 and whole upon 2, so similarly we can write here x to the power a, x to the power b and x to the power c, and the whole denominator is same, so x to the power a plus b plus x to the power c, now numerator and denominator is same, so we can cut it, for example 2 upon 2, we can write 2 1 ja 2 means 1, so similarly here this part multiply by divided by this one, it means 1, okay, so right hand side is 1, so our answer also 1, so hence proved. I hope you all have learned this concept. Yes, so many students are writing. Yes sir, yes sir, yes sir. Very good student. And thank you for joining this live session. Students, question number Question number 10. The 10 is 3 to the power x is equal to 5 to the power y is equal to 45 to the power z, and proof x is equal to 2yz upon that x is equal to 2yz upon y minus z. This is important for your examination. Okay, the solution of this question, we have given 3 to the power x is equal to 5 to the power y is equal to 45 to the power z, and according to the question that x is equal to 2yz upon y minus z. Now in the क्वेश्चन मींस x इज इक्वल टू 2y, जो x y एंड z है ये तो एक्सपोनेंशियल फॉर्म है, x y z। यहां तो क्वेश्चन में किस फॉर्म में गिवन है, एक्सपोनेंट पावर के फॉर्म में, बट प्रूफ किसके करना है, प्रूफ में तो हमें पावर के फॉर्म में है ही नहीं। इसका मतलब क्या हुआ सर, वी हैव टू नीड द रिलेशन बिटवीन द पावर, हमें रिलेशन किस में फाइंड करना है, पावर में फाइंड करना है। एंड रिमूव इन नंबर को 3, 5, 45 इनको क्या करना है, यहां से साइड करना है, इनका काम नहीं है। तो कैसे साइड करेंगे तो उस चीज के लिए देखो, तो देन 3 टू द पावर x इज इक्वल टू 5 टू द पावर k इज इक्वल टू 45 टू द पावर z। लेट सपोज ऑल द नंबर्स आर इक्वल, दिस इज इक्वल टू 5, दिस इज इक्वल टू 45, तो ऑल 3 आर इक्वल। तो लेट आई एम टेकिंग हियर, लेट सपोज इट इज द k, मींस all 3 are equal, तो I let all 3 numbers are also equal to k। 3, 5, 45 let it is equal to k, जैसे मैथ्स में लेट करते हैं। तो 1 by 1 we can write 3 to the power x, तो 3 to the power x सबके इक्वल है तो k के भी इक्वल है, तो देन इट इज इक्वल टू k। कल परसों मैंने लास्ट लेक्चर में बताया था, इफ यू हैव गिवन x to the power 2, okay, so then it is 4, so we can write x is equal to under root 4, या in the other way, in the another method we can write x is equal to, एक तरीका तो ये है, but this another way we can write 4 to the power 1 by 2, and if x cube is given and x cube is equal to 4, x is equal to 4 to the power 1 by 3, मैंने बताया था लास्ट पार्ट में। ओके, तो सिमिलरली वी विल यूज द सेम कंसेप्ट हियर, तो दिस वी कैन राइट 3 is equal to k to the power, क्या लिखेंगे 1 by x, so this is the value of k, 3 in the terms of k। then second part, take the 5, so 5 to the power k is equal to, sorry, 5 to the power y is equal to k, so this 5 also we can write k to the power 1 by y। next last number is 45, so 45 is equal to 45 to the power z, also let it is also equal to k, so then 45 is equal to k to the power 1 by z। so these all are the value of 3, 5 and 45 in the terms of k and in the terms of x, y and z। okay, अब मैंने बोला था कि आपको ये नंबर रिमूव करने, 3, 5, 45 आंसर में नहीं है, तो इनको कैसे रिमूव करें, तो फाइंड द रिलेशन बिटवीन 45, 3 एंड 5, इन तीनों को ऐसा अरेंज करो कि ये पावर के टर्म में इनको लिखा जा सके। मींस कहने का मतलब जैसे 45 है तो 45 इज इक्वल टू 3 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 5, तो देन इट इज 45, बट दिस इज 15, बोथ आर नॉट इक्वल टू ईच अदर। तो यहां पे हम लोग क्या लिख सकते हैं, अगर मैं लिखता हूं 5 स्क्वायर, तो 5 5 जा 25, 25 3 जा 125, इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल। ओके, तो हियर कैन वी राइट दिस स्क्वायर 3 स्क्वायर, तो देन 3 स्क्वायर मींस 9 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 5 इज इक्वल टू 45, तो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड एंड राइट हैंड साइड। तो मैंने 3, 5 एंड 45 में एक ऐसा रिलेशन बनाया कि मैं इन दोनों को क्या कर लूं, इक्वल कर सकते हैं। एंड नाउ सब्स्टिट्यूट द वैल्यू ऑफ 45, 3 एंड 5 हियर, देन 45, 3 और 5 क्या हो जाएंगे, साइड हो जाएंगे। तो व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ 45, द वैल्यू ऑफ 45 इज 1 k टू द पावर 1 by z। ये रिलेशन क्यों बनाया, डू यू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाई we need this relation here, because हम लोगों को 45, 3 और 5 को साइड करना है और x, y, z के फॉर्म में रिलेशन लाना है। ओके, तो k to the power, the value of 45 it is k to the power 1 by z। next 3, what is the value of 3, 3 is k to the power 1 by x, so k to the power 1 by x, but whole to the power it is the square, then into 5, what is the value of 5, k to the power 1 by y, k to the power 1 by y। अब देखो क्यों किया होगा, अब समझ में भी आ गया होगा, बिकॉज लेफ्ट हैंड साइड एंड राइट हैंड साइड बेस आर सेम, तो वी कैन फाइंड द रिलेशन बिटवीन देयर पावर। ओके, तो देन फर्स्ट k to the power 1 by z is equal to k, first of all solve this power, we can write 1 by x and whole to the power 2, so both power will be multiplied to each other, so 2 by x, this one we can write 2 by x into k to the power 1 by 1, 1 by z is equal to, as you know that base are same, the power will be add to each other, so then we will get 2 upon x and 1 upon y। So now here we can apply one law of exponent, if left hand side and right hand side, when you note down this question in your notebook. So please write here, when the left hand side and right hand side base are equal, so their power must be equal to each other. So then therefore we can write 1 by z is equal to 2 by x plus 1 by y. अब देखो एक्स वाई जेड के फॉर्म में रिलेशन बन चुका है, ठीक है. बट अब अरेंज करना है, तो हाउ कैन वी अरेंज? हियर इज द वैल्यू ऑफ एक्स, हियर इज द वैल्यू ऑफ x, means we need the value of x. So how can you calculate the value of x? So first take the y and z in the same side, so we can write 1 upon z minus 1 upon y is equal to 2 upon x. हम x की वैल्यू कैलकुलेट करने के लिए ये कर रहे हैं. ओके, तो नाउ सॉल्व दिस वन. तो टेक द एलसीएम, तो एलसीएम मींस क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई, तो y माइनस z अपॉन y इनटू z या z इनटू y इज इक्वल टू 2 अपॉन x. नाउ x इन हियर न्यूमरेटर, या इसको क्या लिख सकते हैं, इसका रेसिप्रोकल कर दो. why we are doing the reciprocal? because x in here in the numerator. so then when we do the reciprocal of left hand side and right hand side, so then it become yz upon y minus z is equal to x upon 2. now remove this 2 from right hand side, divide में तो multiply, तो 2yz upon y minus z is equal to x. या finally our relation x is equal to 2yz upon y minus z. It is your right hand side, hence proved. I hope you understand this one. This is a very simple question, but try to solve this question again and again at your rough notebook, then we will understand this concept. Okay, one example, so please solve that example also. Okay, next. Okay, that tomorrow I will arrange a doubt session. Doubt session means if you have any doubt in first exercise, in second exercise, yeah, in third exercise, so please send that question in your classroom app, yeah, in WhatsApp group. Okay, then tomorrow I will take only these questions you have given to me. Okay, so please send your question. If you have any doubt, send these doubt in the class group, in WhatsApp group, yeah, in classroom app. Okay, then tomorrow I will solve your question, means your problem. Okay, thank you for watching this video.